Do you struggle with managing your finances? Or perhaps you're looking for a way to meet your financial goals more efficiently? Enter the world of budgeting, a fundamental skill in personal finance that involves creating a plan to manage your income and expenses. It's like having a roadmap, guiding you on how to allocate your money, helping you achieve your financial goals and avoid unnecessary debt. First, let's understand income. It's the money you receive from sources like employment, freelance work, investments, or side hustles. There are different types: earned income from employment, passive income from investments, portfolio income from selling investments, and side income from freelance work or a side business. Next, we have expenses, the costs associated with living. They can be categorized into fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses are regular, predictable costs like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance. Variable expenses may fluctuate, such as groceries, entertainment, dining out, and discretionary spending. Now onto the budgeting process itself. Start by calculating your total monthly income from all sources. Then, list all your monthly expenses, distinguishing between fixed and variable. Assign specific amounts to each expense category, ensuring that your total expenses do not exceed your total income. And don't forget to allocate a portion of your income for savings and an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. There are several tools at your disposal. Spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets can be used to create a simple budgeting spreadsheet. Or budgeting apps like Mint and YNAB can help track income, expenses, and provide insights into your financial health. Sticking to your budget is crucial. Determine your financial priorities, such as saving for a home, retirement, or paying off debt. Exercise discipline in spending by distinguishing between needs and wants. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments based on changes in income or expenses. So, why budget? It gives you financial control, helps you work towards short-term and long-term financial goals, and reduces financial stress. But be careful to avoid common budgeting mistakes, like neglecting an emergency fund, ignoring small expenses, or not tracking your progress. In conclusion, budgeting is more than just restricting spending. It's about making intentional choices with your money. With discipline and commitment, you can achieve your financial goals and build a secure future. So why not start today?